Hello and welcome guys, and welcome to this short vlog. And yes, after much contemplations, after much tweets and after much apprehensions on when is the exam date, finally there is an official notification of the Institute of Cost Accountants of India. The CMA intermediate and final results for January 2023 attempt are to be declared on 22nd of March. So yes guys, on the institute website there is an official notification. So official notification is out. Please go over there and check it out. And yes, do share this video with all the CMA aspirants and let's wait for the result and hope that your result is absolutely positive. Guys, one advice, do make a reaction video of all of you along with your parents when your result is out, which means that whenever you are clicking on the submit button of your result query, then keep your camera on and just record the reaction of you and your parents and do send it to me. All the very best, and in the chat box please comment whatever is your result. Come back to this video and comment whatever is your result. All the very best.